Hello, Lord Gormadon.
I don't go by that name anymore.
You think that evil is no longer in you? You still have your own blood, which means I can bring you back to your evil form.
No! What are you doing? Who are you and what are you doing here? Hello, old friend. You know we were never friends, Gormadon. So why are you here? What if I had something that you wanted? What could you have that I would possibly want? You want to be the ultimate master of Spinjizu, the one who knows every form of Spinjizu. I can help you with that. I will give you the army that you need, and the gem that will complete the spell. With this gem, I will activate the spell for when we have all forms of Spinjizu. This will activate it, and it will send the energy of each Spinjizu into you. But first, we need to find these rare forms of Spinjizu. I can teach one of the warriors how to do normal Spinjizu, and I know where the scrolls for Airjitsu and Forbidden Spinjizu are. All I don't know is that we need to find how to use Dragon Jitsu. Now, will you agree to let me help you? I agree. Now, where is this army you speak of? Right here.
I was under my daily control, and I saw you, Gormadon. Now that you are evil again, I have to stop you. I will never serve you, Lord Gormadon.
Now we have an ally of the ninja on our side. Good. Now me and Pixel will go to deceive the ninja, because they think we are on their side. Dad! Pixel! You are back!
Pixel, what has gotten into you?
Let's reveal ourselves. No! You are evil again! Indeed I am. Where are your 4 arms and helmet? If you want them, you will get them. Thanks a lot, Jay. Now it was fun, but we have to go. How could this have happened? How is he evil again? Something must have triggered your father's Oni blood. Yeah, but what? I don't know.
I have to go visit my father.
I know this new thread has just popped up, but I need to go see him. You may go, Zane. You may go. Thank you. Now we must prepare for this dark threat.
Garmadon is with Zon. He will help Zon be a master of Spinjitzu. Then Zon can get annoyed. Because Lloyd's golden power is the only thing that will stop you, Father.
Yes, my son. Lloyd will soon take his dark fate.
Then Ninjago will be ours.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will.